So we want to graph y equals 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 1. So what do we have here? What's our shape? The shape of this graph is y equals 2x squared. And then we're going to shift it 3 left and 1 down. So what does that look like? Well, the shape of 2x squared is what I'll start with. So I've got x, and I've got 2x squared. So 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. 0 squared is 0, times 2 is 0, 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2, negative 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4, times 2 is 8, same 4, negative 2. So shifting 3 left and 1 down, so normally we start at 0, 0. Shifting 3 left, 1, 2, 3, 1 down means I am where? Means I am at the point negative 3, negative 1. That's my starting point. That's going to behave like 0, 0. So let's jump to Desmos if we can. So I will do that here. And we'll try to graph it. Here we go. So we're starting at negative 3, negative 1. That was shifting it 3 to the left and 1 down. That's my starting point. Now that corresponds to the 0, 0. Then next we had the point 1, 2. That means move over 1, move up 2, which brings me to negative 2, 1. So what do I mean by that? 1, 2, over 1, up 2 from our starting point. Here, over 1, up 2 from our starting point, but to the left. So here's our starting point, over 1, up 2, brings me to negative 4, positive 1. Then we had 2, 8, so over 2, up 8, over 2, up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will bring me to negative 1, 7. And then over 2, up 8 would bring me to negative 5, 7. So I've graphed those points. Now that should be the same as what we're looking for. Our equation was y equals 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 1. And you'll see that it goes through all those points. And that's our graph for that function. That's what we're supposed to do, so I will stop.